Sentences to use in the kitchen. The cookies need to cool. I am going to bake some bread. Could you grab a pot? We need to thaw the chicken. Check if the pasta is al dente. I'll slice the tomatoes. We should use a timer. Can you find the whisk? The sauce needs more seasoning. I'm going to make some coffee. Can you put away the groceries? Let's wash the vegetables. The soup needs more broth. Can you set the oven to broil? The cake is in the oven. I'll peel the carrots. We need to grease the pan. Can you chop the herbs? Let's taste the gravy. The kitchen is getting messy. I'll be in charge of the grill. Can you get the colander? We need to mix the batter. Is the meat fully cooked? The bread is rising nicely. Can you help with the prep work? The sauce needs to reduce. Let's check the recipe again. Do we have any vinegar? I am making a fruit salad. Can you slice the bread? The kitchen timer is ringing. We need to chill the dough. I'll pour the wine. Can you set the table? The chicken needs to be seasoned. Is there any garlic left? Let's wash the dishes after cooking. I'll check the roast. The eggs are in the fridge. Can you get the kitchen shears? The fruit needs to be sliced. Let's clean the stove. I'll prepare the marinade. We need to fold the napkins. Can you get the blender? The meatloaf is almost ready. I'm going to boil the potatoes. Do we have enough napkins? The pan is too hot. Lower the heat. Can you grab a spatula? I'll handle the side dishes. Can you cover the dish with foil? I'm going to serve the drinks. Let's make a quick dessert. Can you turn off the burner? We need to stir the curry. The kitchen smells great. We need to clean the counter. Let's enjoy our meal.